Hello and welcome back to Craxoid. Today in this video I will be giving you the review and show you the installation process of .os version 5.2. So without further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see, this is Redmi Note 8 and I have installed latest .os version 5.2 in it. Although this .os is based on Android 11, but it gives the glimpse of Android 12. In this version of .os, you will see many things which are on Android 12. Also, you can see the Android security update of October 1, 2021, which is the latest Android security update available for now. The user experience of this ROM is really good, and you can see the touch response is also well optimized. And inside home setting, as you can see, there is Pixel Launcher pre-installed. And I really like Pixel Launcher because Pixel Launcher is smooth as butter with a fluid design. Now I will go to wallpaper section. And the interesting thing in this wallpaper section is scheduled wallpapers. From here you have to choose another wallpaper and the wallpaper will be scheduled as per your choice. You can set between once, daily and weekly. Also you can set trigger time as well. This is in beta phase right now, so might not work as expected right now. And this is really a new and interesting concept which might be useful for us. Also, there are lots of built-in wallpapers with extra .os exclusive wallpapers. There is even Lineage OS and other ROMs wallpaper available in it. This wallpaper section of .os won't let you down because it has almost all the wallpapers of all custom ROMs that we need. Even more, there is .rs wallpaper available in it. And this is the lock screen interface when played any music. This looks so cool and the accent colors are also auto-adjusted, a so-called feature of Android 12. This is the quick setting interface of this ROM. I've already applied dark theme in it and this looks really good. Now let's go to the settings section and see what features are available in settings section. At first there is network and internet, and inside it there is private DNS option available as usual. And there is customization section available from where you can do lots of customization in it. And inside it there is wallpapers and wallpaper color option available. Also you can adjust and set custom accent colors from this section. And below there are other customization available like clock face. There are lots of new and stylish clock interface available and you can use any of them. Below clock face there is launcher grid, system font, icon shape and icon pack. And at last there is more setting available from where you can do even more customizations. I entered into AOD and Lockscreen. There is screen off animations which works when you press power button to turn off the screen. And there are multiple screen off animations available. Below AOD and Lockscreen there is status bar setting. From here you can change battery style to circle, dotted and many more. Also you can enable percentage inside and outside. Even more, you can disable the clock from status bar and enable or disable AM PM too. There are other features available too, but I'm only highlighting some of them because mentioning each and every customization will make video lengthy and boring. So I've left some customization for you too. And inside buttons there are some customization available like invert navigation bar layout, answer calls by pressing volume buttons, etc. And inside system, there is my useful feature to enable torch by long pressing power button. And other feature includes control brightness by sliding on a status bar, double tap to sleep. Also you can switch volume panel location from right to left from here. And many other features and customizations are also available. There is gaming dashboard option which is designed to make you focused only on the game. There are some settings inside it like enable quick controls, block notifications, ringer in gaming mode, disable auto brightness and dynamic mode which will detect and add games automatically. And you can both enable or disable gaming mode as per your choice. And inside display settings there are same features like dark theme, night light, wake up on plug, and this wake up on plug will turn on screen when connecting or disconnecting a power source. And some other features like styles and wallpaper, screen timeout, colors, rotation setting, etc. are also available. And inside battery manager you will see last full charge stats, screen usage since full charge, and there is battery manager option from where you can enable adaptive battery which will limit for apps that you don't use them. Also, there is battery saver option in which you can choose between different profiles like default, moderate, high and extreme. And it is written that battery saver profile will extend even more the life of it, but with a cost of performance. And I found the battery performance of this ROM is really impressive after long-term use. Now going back to settings section. Similarly, there are some other similar settings like privacy and security, where fingerprint and face unlock option are available. And other settings like digital well-being and parental controls is also available in it. Now I will enter into system setting, and there is gesture setting, language setting, reset option, multiple user, developer option and system update is also available. If any new update is released, then it will show in this place, and you can download latest update of this .os easily from here. And at last there is Xiaomi parts, which have some features like MI sound enhancer, display color calibration, clear speaker, enable USB fast charge, vibration control, etc. So this is all about latest release .os version 5.2. I'm using this ROM as my daily driver from some days and I haven't faced any issue till now. And one another interesting thing is now many developers try to make some fun using their ROM. Previously we used to tab on build number several times to enable developer option. So when you tab on build number several times on this custom ROM or on any other custom ROM, you will get some funny messages from developers, which is really fun to try. Overall, this .os is very stable and you will get OTA updates regularly as well. It has many features and customization options and has delivered a better user experience that Android lovers love to use. And to install this ROM is also very easy. Just download .os ROM file for your phone and reboot your phone to custom recovery. And in custom recovery, first go to wipe section and select Dalvik, cache, system, vendor and data. Then swipe right to wipe. Then go to file section and flash .os ROM zip file that you have downloaded. That's it. After some time, .os will be installed on your device. In case if your phone is stuck on boot loop or return back to custom recovery, then you need to format your phone. So this is all about .os ROM. This .os is based on AOSP and is packed with innovative ideas and creative things to enhance user experience. Overall, this ROM is good to use as daily driver for normal uses. Obviously, you will feel a much better user experience than laggy MIUI ROM. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then hit that like button, comment below, share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our Craxoid YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.